Hola, it's Chef Adriana, and today I'm gonna show you how to make the famous Indian dish, butter chicken. But we're gonna use eggplant instead, so we're making a vegetarian version. The mojos we're gonna use today is our green mojo, which is our cilantro and caper. So this already is gonna substitute cilantro, cumin, and then for some heat, we're gonna add our yellow mojo. And this has coriander, so you will not need that spice, and we have the heat right here. And there's two parts to this recipe. The first one is the marinade. There's a yogurt marinade, and the second part is the actual sauce. And you can follow these same steps with chicken. So I will have all the ingredients for you ready. So let's get started. So now that the chicken or eggplant is in the oven, we're gonna start the sauce. So first, we're gonna add some butter to our pan. Alright you guys, so our dish is ready and I can't wait to taste it. So traditionally they serve this over rice, or we are actually going to eat it with naan bread, which is an Indian bread, and it's delicious with this. And we can just dip it, or I'm just going to add a little bit on my bread. There's some pickled onions that they use traditionally, and they also add chutney. So if you have chutney you can add to this, but I think this is good just as it is. So let's try it. I love the cinnamon and the cardamom and the creaminess of the eggplant. You can absolutely do this with chicken. It will work if you follow the same steps. It works. You can also do tofu if you like, if you want to keep it vegetarian. So keep using your mojos so you can save steps on the prep, and subscribe to our channel so we can keep bringing you great healthy recipes for you and ideas. And I will see you on the next video. Adios.